Good day, everybody. Good evening. Good day. I am so sorry. This is I want to publicly apologize to my husband, Chijoke. I'm sorry for doing a video immediately after I saw your video. I'm sorry for reacting the way I reacted. I also want to apologize to the general public, the people that I let down. I already said I was in the process of healing, so coming to do something, I disappointed them. Coming out online again to start doing something, I don't know what got into me. I don't know what pushed me, what motivated my actions. I am very sorry, the general public. I apologize. I still maintain that I'm making progress with my husband. And on that same note, I want to sincerely apologize to my husband, Chijoke. I'm supposed to stand by you as a wife, as a supporter, because I'm supposed to be your helpmate. But truth is that I am not a supporter of evil. I don't believe in injustice. I don't believe in cheating people. So that is why I just had to react immediately. I could not stand for what I'm not known for. I can't pretend. That is my lifestyle. Any person that knows me well knows that I don't pretend. I don't know how to. If this is white, I will say it is white, and if it's black, I will say it's black, even if it means costing something very important to me. That is how transparent my life is. And that is why I don't have so much of friends around me, because people want to fake things. People want to fake it until they make it, and I don't represent that. If it is 1 naira I have, I rather be contented with that 1 naira than going all out to make 1 million in a mischievous way. I'm not like that. So when my husband did something that was not right, I just had to react, because any sane woman, any woman that has the fear of God in her, will not support any man that is evil. And Chijoke is evil. Sorry, I'm not supposed to say this. It's just confusing trying to go for peace when you know things, when you know it's just not, things are not right. Why is it, what did I do wrong in coming out to say that, to call out my husband? Can't I call out my husband as a wife? Can't I talk to my husband? Why is it that everything is always against the woman? Yeah, what did I do wrong now, please? What did I do wrong? Is it not my place to put my husband in order when he does wrong? If I supported my husband wholeheartedly, people will still come out to castigate me and call me evil. And then I tried to alienate myself from the plot. They still tamed me bad. What do I do to be the right person? A1 did not do anything wrong. MC A1 did not do anything wrong by helping us, by helping our business. He did not do anything wrong by siding with the truth, regardless of who the truth sayer was or is. If I was the one at fault, he would have cautioned me. But in this case, it was Chijoke, and he was cautioning him, but he had a problem with that and decided to retract our business. What was I supposed to do? Did they not say business before pleasure? Am I not Chijoke's business partner? Should I not be treated as one? I thought gone are those days when women are still subjected. But the truth is that we will never, I keep saying this, women will never get liberated until women start noting their place in the lives of men. And just because I'm choosing to note my place in the life of my husband, people are pointing fingers at me, calling me all sorts of names. There was no insults I didn't receive yesterday. I'm still shocked that people still have my number. People still went back as to getting back my number from where it was. Calling me, saying all manner of things. Talking how my marriage is ending, how this is doing, how... Talking to my husband. And then my husband had to come out to say what he said. And now here I am. I'm broken. I don't know what to do. But God knows the only thing I want is peace. And that is why I'm choosing to do this. Not because I really want to do it, but because I just want peace to reign. I want peace. I want to set the record that I choose peace. But God knows that I don't want to stand with injustice. I still maintain my stand. I am Chijioke's business partner. If it is business we are handling, matters of business, you people see how civil people behave. When it is business, regardless of whether it is husband or wife, if I am the head of the business, my husband should respect me. My husband should be answerable to me.
You are going off point, Ijoma. Keep apologizing, then go on your knees. Let it look real. Continue.
I should go on my knees.
Continue. Yes.
Please, I don't.
Continue.
Don't.
Continue.
I don't like this thing. Please, Chijioke. I should kneel down to make what's real. I'm going off point.
Continue. Just continue.
If this was a civil setting and I am the head, my husband must be answerable to me. But this is the problem with Africans. We always want to Africanize everything. We always want to stampede on women. And I choose not to be stamped upon. It's not a crime that I came to this world as a woman. It is not a crime. I did not commit any crime. And I have not disrespected my husband in any way. God knows that since I got married to Chijioke, I've not looked out. I've not disrespected him outside. I've not embarrassed him outside until he brought this to himself. And then people are coming to say this, that you are looking at A1, you are doing this, you want A1 to... Jesus, what is happening? Why is it that people don't like the truth? I'm getting fed up. At this point, I'm getting fed up. At this point, I don't know what else to do. But all I want to do is to do right. But do you know how painful it is when you are trying to do right, but the person you are trying to do the right for is not even appreciating it, is not even seeing it. He keeps wronging you over and over and over. We were trying to make peace for the love of God, and then the next thing you do to somebody that you're trying to make up with is to go above her head, is to match on my head. And then you don't want me to react. You still want to... Is this the kind of life women want to keep living? I hear people saying that I'm bringing up my marriage, I'm not supposed to talk. I didn't see my husband throughout the day it happened. I didn't see him. He was at home up until 6 p.m. He left. He didn't come back until 1 a.m. the next day. And 1 a.m. the next day, he got up leave. And 1 a.m. he came back. He got up 6 a.m. and left. I didn't see him again up until I posted the video I posted. Till the next day. So what was I supposed to do? What was supposed to be my reaction? What am I supposed to do? If anything goes wrong, people will still come to blame me. And then I speak up, people are blaming me. At this point, I'm not about impressing anybody. I am tired. If people want to keep tagging me as a bad woman, fine. But God knows I'm speaking up. And I know that I'm speaking up for a lot of people that can't speak up. I won't be under any man's spell. I am married, yes. And I want to be married, yes. But subjection, no. Marginalization, no. Mistreated, no. I am not deaf. I am not dumb. I can defend myself. Even if the society wants to keep throwing stones at me, I will use my last strength I have to keep defending myself. Because tomorrow I would want my children, my daughters, to see this and be proud of their mother. For how long would women keep swallowing, taking up all these pills from men? Men will be mistreating you all in the name of marriage. What kind of marriage is that? They keep telling me, you're just married, you don't know how to be married. I will not leave I will not stay like this if this is what marriage is. I will defend myself in it. My foremothers fought so that I will have the right to be in a marriage, to speak up. You want to leave? Leave. Leave the house. Leave. I'm saying, if you're not to go be man, you want to leave? Leave. I won't stay in such marriage. And I beg you people, I beg, by saying I won't stay in such marriage, I don't mean I'm leaving. But I will live in a marriage comfortably. I will not be in any man that will subject me. I won't stay like that. My foremothers fought. They strived so that I won't be slaves. So that we won't be slaves to men. So that I will not be slave to a man. And then this is how you people repay those that made the sacrifice by still being slaves? No, I won't. I will speak my truth. Nobody will shush me. When a man does wrong, I will call him to order. I will say it. I should clap for you people that keep covering, standing. So if your husband is stealing, no wonder all those thieves out there, their wives keep siding and backing them up. That's why we keep having so much talks in the society. Because if we have women that are speaking up, so many menaces will reduce in the society. But women keep applauding, women keep covering. But I will not, because I don't stand for that. I stand for truth, regardless of who the perpetrator is. I won't cover injustice. I won't cover betrayal. I won't be okay with betrayal. All in the name of marriage. You know, now marriage, suffering and not even smiling. Because this day, before it used to be suffering and smiling. But now people are suffering and crying. And you will be in that place. All because you want to answer Mrs. Thinking that your greatest achievement in life is Mrs. Not me. And then I will stay married. What we'll do is dialogue. We'll talk things through. This is what I don't like. This is what you should do. And it will work like that. I didn't mean to say all of these things. Like I said, it is peace that I want. But in the midst of trying to want peace, if the person you want to have this peace with is not even fighting, it weakens the body. I know what I'm doing. Yes, I want peace does not mean I want to be silenced. I want peace means I want my partner to come to terms with my words. I want my husband to respect me. I want my husband to involve me in every activity, in every business proposals. Because aside being his wife, I'm his business partner. And if we are able to check this well, I am his boss. So by right, he's answerable to me. He owes me that. Man, because we're in Nigeria and of course we're in this African society, I should answer to somebody that I am the head of. Because I'm a woman. I choose not to be mistreated because of my gender. We are not in the 80s. We are not in the 30s. We are not in the 20s. This is the 21st century. So I shouldn't be treated as if this is the 17th, this is the 15th, or even 14th, or even the 1st century. I don't really want to say much so that people don't have what to pin on me. But person will get truth for mouth, they always get plenty things to talk. Because now when you don't get truth for mouth, you go they look for waiting to talk. I have a lot to say, but I won't keep proving right. I'm still sorry. I'm still sorry. so many people, my friends, like I said, people that are disappointed that were disappointed in my actions yesterday. And then of course my husband for not, but I don't still understand the ideology of standing with somebody that is going off track. It is as if you are hungry, for instance, and then you people are trying to light up a stove, and all of a sudden the person that you are trying to light up that stove with, the stove, you know, when they pour water on stove, of course the wool will get wet, so the fire won't come again. And then I should start clapping for the person wetting those wools, or I should drink water and be pouring on the stove as well. No, I'm hungry. I need to prepare something to eat. I won't be siding this person that is trying to quench the fire. But then I don't understand. I don't see the logic in trying to do it with the person. But people are telling me, quench it with this person. Quench it with this person. But beyond quenching it, how are we going to get food to eat? But for peace sake, let me quench the fire. But I don't know for how long I will do it. I'm indirectly saying that I'm allowing everything to go under the carpet because I want peace. But in the quest of wanting peace, they said I should support my husband. I will do it. But the question is, I don't even know for how long I will keep up this fake life, all in the name of trying to side with my husband. I will keep doing it. I will. But I just hope it doesn't consume. Of course it won't. I also want to sincerely apologize to A1. MC A1, I know you, of course, you definitely see this video. I'm sorry for the embarrassment. On behalf of my husband, I am apologizing. For all the people that went yesterday, my lawyer, Kewanas not lawyer, I'm also apologizing because he's not a lawyer. I'm also apologizing. My mafia afri na bakasio ka upaka. I am sorry. Ice baby, all of them. I'm sorry. I'm apologizing. It should no cultured man, no man in his right senses will parade people and invade somebody's privacy, a fellow man's privacy. But I am sorry. You don't deserve such embarrassment. You are a very lovely man. You are very good. You are the best, in fact, because you are so amazing. I am sorry because you don't deserve what you got. But I pray that you settle things sooner or even later. I don't know, but I just hope that things will come back to normal. The general public, I still apologize. I'm very sorry for my misconduct. Chijoke, my husband, I'm sorry as well. Oh, I'm sorry. That is all I have to say. Let me end this video because my husband left.